media. Yes, man.
You've seen enough dances before, but you've never... Wait, we used that for the pregnant woman video already. Just watch this.
Bend down, chop up on your hand. Show them the one you use, take a girl man. Do the spider fuck, spider fuck.
The type of dancing you're gonna make Donald Trump come back for you like a visa them, you know. I don't feel no one not doing a paper. Tell me what's that.
Show them how to do spider fuck.
When new dances are introduced into the dance hall, they fall into one of three categories in terms of difficulty. Easy, medium, professional. This one falls in the category of a wetty ras. Any dance where you do and it cause your neck string to turn up and you have to bite your lip. As Buju would say, it's not an easy dance.
Spider fuck, spider fuck.
And yeah, we know what I wanna say. That dance here, it not gonna take off. As Shalom would say, I've got news for you. You are wrong. Oh, so the things are not gonna make a spider dance and Spider-Man not do it too. When dance big, dance big. God that go long.
Spider fuck, spider fuck.
I mean, this should have not really come as any surprise. We have cold foot, we have walk like a dog and cap up and peace. Once again, it reinforces the fact that Jamaicans have a dance move for almost anything.
Show them how to do spider fuck.
At this rate, we will have a dance for every animal of the alphabet. Yes, I just said every animal of the alphabet. Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much. Kama Sutra alert! I don't want to see us do like spiders. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna do like spiders. Call me Billy. That was my impression of DJ Khaled, if you never. Call me Billy. I guess it's safe to say that this new dance will have you slinging your sticky web all over the place. That was a sexual joke. Man, I don't think we should be too happy about this dance. Do you know what happened to male spiders during and after sex? I'm gonna tell you right now. The act of sex results in spontaneous death and genital disfiguration. In other words, your penis going like a common L and it come out like a Z. And if that was not enough, sexual cannibalization. That means say, the woman spider, nyam the man spider, when them done. So before you ask for the spider dance, the spider fuck, Phil Collins said it best. Oh, think twice before you friggle like a spider and get sent a para. Be warned, this is not to be used in regular sexual practice. Alright, as stated by the song, this is to be used for take a gal man. So if you're not taking nobody man, please don't do that dance. I was kind of hoping that 2017 was going to bring about a revolution. Instead of dances for take a gal man, how about a dance for share a gal man? Can't we all just get along? As a matter of fact, you both can get along. You both can share along. Giggity. What if you have arachnophobia? You fear spiders, but she wants to dance and have sex like a spider. That is a contradictory conflict. Wait a minute. I have seen this move before. It's a match. This is getting too crazy. Hit the like button, hit the share button, and also subscribe. Check out all of my links in the description. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Yeah, follow me everywhere. She took one dance on the floor. She started dancing like a spider. Me never want to dance no more. My girl, me good. No, me alright. If I that, I go do me done. Me not play. Creep.